Welcome everyone, my name is Michael and today we're going to be doing a single mini flip cup into some black negative space. Alright, I'll go through the colors as we pour them in the cup. I do want to let you know there is 1 drop of silicone in each of the colors, not the white or the black, and I am using a new ingredient. I'm putting in a gloss fluid medium from Liquitex. I don't know if you can see this. And it's strange, I'm just doing like the silicone, just 1 drop in each, just to try this out, just a little test. All right, let's like I said, let's go through the colors as we pour them into the cup. Let's get started, guys. All right, so we're gonna start off with a little bit of the titanium white. Okay, then we're gonna follow it up with some of this turquoise green. Alright. And we're going to do a little lemon yellow. This is just light blue. We're going to do cerulean blue hue. And I do want to do a little bit of the titanium white right here before I move on to adding the oxide black. So I'm going to put a little bit in there. And then after I add the oxide black, we're going to speed this up and we'll see you on the other side. Alright guys, we're back. We're going to finish up this cup. I'm just adding in that little bit of cerulean blue right there. Alright, we're going to take her away. We're going to add a little bit more of that light blue. Alright. Now we're going to add in that titanium white. We filled this cup. It's going to splatter pretty well. A little bit of black dot right there. Nice. Alright, let's put her up here. Beautiful. Alright, now let's put down our base here. Alright, we have the oxide black going down, and here we go. Ready? Go, look at that. Save some. Alright. Nice. Alright. Light this baby up. I see a lot. Oh, there we go. Ooh, I got rid of a lot. I like this oxide black, I'll tell you. Okay, here we go. Obviously, spread her out just a little. Oh, it's probably nice and getting warmed up too. Look at that flow. I like it. I don't even know if I want to go to the corners yet because I think I want to keep it thick and I'll add to the corners. Alright, let's just bring a little bit more up top. Alright, there we go, guys. Now, let's get that cup in there. Let's slam it down. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. There we go. It's in. Okay. Now, let's see what's gonna happen here. Twist. I don't know why. I'm gonna go up and out. Boom. Alright. Here we go. I like the little patterns. Here's the inside of the cup. Let's look at the cells real fast while it's forming. Nice. Okay, that's great. I love it. We're gonna hit it with a little torch. You know, I love this little torch for cells. Yeah. Okay. There we go. That's looking nice. Now, let's see. I'm gonna take care of the corners just a little. I've just been doing it lately. I know it might bother some people, but I've been doing it lately. I really don't know why. I'm sure a couple weeks from now I'll be like, I don't really need to do that anymore. But there we go. All right, let's do some tilting. Now we're gonna stretch this out because it's just that one little baby mini flip cup in there. There we go. How are we gonna flip? How are we gonna stretch this out nicely without it getting too crazy? Oh, it's beautiful. I like the colors. That white ended up in a weird spot, huh? I think I want to do this as a part 1 and 2. Because I think I want to do the exact same thing into that titanium white. Since I've switched over to the Amsterdam, I just want to see how they're going to react. Because I was using Liquitex. So I'm very curious to see how everything's going to happen here. I love these colors. Ooh, very nice. Alright, let's see if I want to keep the negative space in this, guys. You know that. That's why I'm doing this. I do want to get all of this mixed nicely. We'll cover up what we don't need. Oh, I think I actually like this composition a lot right now. I don't know if I'm going to do much with it. I really like it. I think I'm keeping it. Alright, let's keep this composition, guys. Whew. Wow. Okay. Oh, I like it a lot. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Alright, let me just put a little bit of that oxide black up there, and that should finish it off. Funny thing, didn't I do the corners? What happened? Pretty funny. Ooh, I like it. That is cool. That is cool. All right, let's go in. We're gonna let's go right in with the big torch. See what happens. All right, that's getting rid of the air bubbles there. All right, now we're gonna go in one time with the little torch. Just to get any little cells that want to come out. Oh, I like it. All right, little torch is done. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.